Hey everybody, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Manahil, a remote job wali. Welcome to this video, and today we are creating this course in 2026, a time when artificial intelligence has changed the world faster than ever before. Today, tools like ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, Notebook LM, and other AI tools are available to everyone. These are not just apps. These are a powerful tools that can increase your learning, your creativity, your productivity, and even your income. For the first time in human history, knowledge is available instantly. A person sitting in a village, a small town, or in a city now can access the same intelligence and guidance that was once available only to expert or in a big company. So that is why this course called AI Emergency. Because this is no longer optional. Every student, every teacher, every parent, every worker, businessman, professionals, shopkeeper, farmer, professionals must understand AI. The people who learns AI will move ahead faster. The people who ignore it may struggle in the future. This course has two main goals. One is increase your knowledge, second is increase your income. When knowledge increase, opportunities increase automatically. For this course, you don't need to be a programmer, you don't need highly expensive equipment, you don't need to be highly educated. For this course, you only need consistency, curiosity, a willingness to learn. AI rewards people who take actions. In this course, you will not only hear theories, you will practice AI tools step by steps. You will learn how to use AI for learning, for business, for personal growth, for content creation, for communication, for designing, for job hunting. Think of this course like you are testing a new food. Today you are not becoming a AI expert. Today you are just opening the doors. Future belongs to people who learn quickly, who adapt quickly, who take action quickly. So welcome to this AI emergency course. First of all, what is artificial intelligence? People call it artificial intelligence, but it's actually very advanced intelligence. Today, AI can do many things faster and smarter than humans in some areas. So many people say humans are the strongest creation. So, how can AI become more powerful? So, think about this way. Uh, a truck is stronger than human in lifting weight. A car is very faster than a human in running. A tractor can do work. Human cannot be done this alone. Machines can already do some task better than us. So, in the same way, AI can process information much faster than us. What is intelligence? Uh, the difference between small child and a older student is knowledge and learning. So the older students has read more books and learn more things. AI works similarly. Big AI systems like ChatGPT, Anthropic, Gemini, uh, Grok have trained a huge amount of books, articles, and data from the internet because they have seen so much information, so they can answer they can answer questions very quickly. AI also remember patterns like YouTube recommend videos based on what you watched before. TikTok shows content according to your interest, and Google Maps predicts where you want to go. So this is called predict recognition. So AI is not truly thinking like a human yet. It mainly predicts patterns based on the data it has learned. For example, if someone say twinkle twinkle little, and most people can complete the sentence. So because they have heard it before many times. So AI works similarly. It predicts the next word and next word from the pattern it has already learned. AI also uses like vector databases instead of traditional databases. This help AI understand relationships between ideas and information more intelligently. In the future, people are working on AGI, ASI, AGI called general intelligence, ASI called artificial super intelligence. AGI means AI can perform task at the level of a human, and ASI means AI becoming even more powerful than human intelligence. So right now AI is a tool. If we use it correctly, it can increase our intelligence, it can increase our knowledge, it can increase our speed and our income. Our first app is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI app that you should download it on your phone, and you should download it on its website chatgpt.com or Google Play Store. Um, but before download it, be careful because there are many fake ChatGPT apps. So look for this icon, ChatGPT icon, before downloading it. So after downloading it, um, sign up it with your Google account. So just click on the install button and install it. After installing it, sign up it with your Google account. Why sign up? ChatGPT slowly starts understanding you better, just like your family understands you more over when you spend time with them. So the more you talk to it, the more useful answer becomes. So after sign up, start by telling ChatGPT about yourself. For example, my name is Manahil. I want to earn $5,000 a month. I don't have much time. I have a job and I can't do many things. I have just this hour. So please guide me. And the interesting thing is, you don't need to write the all of these. You just click on the microphone button, just click on it and talk to it, and ChatGPT will convert your voice into text. So you don't now you don't need to spend time just by typing. So after this, if then ChatGPT replies you. After that, if it's difficult to you, so you can say something like, "Please guide me in simple words," and you can say something like, "Please tell me in a story." And after this, you can give more information like your age, your education, how many experience do you have, what you can do, what's your interest. The more information you give, the more the ChatGPT will give you more amazing answers. Keep refining the conversation. A normal person become angry when we ask many questions, but when we ask ChatGPT many questions, it will but ChatGPT never get tired. Even you say, "I don't have money, I don't have computer, I don't know computer, I don't know English, I don't know business," it will still try to help you step by step. So let's say it gives you the answer. You given your introduction, you're like, what's my name, I want to achieve this. So ChatGPT gives you the answer, but you don't like it, so you can say same thing. "I don't like it, please give me another answer." ChatGPT give you the another answer. So don't hesitate with ChatGPT. Just ask that, "I don't like it, please give me another. I don't understand it, please give me another answer." It will give you. So also your network is your resource also. So for example, your cousin is a accountant, someone is a lawyer, someone is a sales, someone knows sales. You can tell everything to ChatGPT. Even if you have a plot, so where you can plant trees, so you can say to ChatGPT, I have plot, I have this friend, I have this friend, I have salesperson friend. So tell whatever you have, just tell to ChatGPT, so it will give you a plan. So you can then ask ChatGPT that I have give you my information, now give me a task that I can do in just 5 minutes. So ChatGPT will give you 5-minute task, so do that task, do that small task. So do this every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Ask ChatGPT every day same question that I want to earn, I have this. So tell ChatGPT everything every day, and ChatGPT give you the better and better answer. Just give your 5 to 10 minutes to ChatGPT. Also make this activity a family activity. Teach your wife, your children, your brother, your friend, your mother to spend 10 to 15 minutes daily with ChatGPT, talking with ChatGPT daily, and ask the same question. So it will become automatically your accountability partners. Remind each other to take actions. Instead of wasting time scrolling on TikTok, watching, useful videos, random videos, spending. So you can spend time in learning, and spend time to increase your knowledge and planning with AI. The hardest step is always the first step. So take first step and it will become very easy for you. So most people never take action because they think, what will people say? So don't think about them, just take actions. And also today the world has changed. Internet exists, exists, unlimited knowledge is available everywhere. Now people can learn faster, grow faster, escape poverty faster than ever before if they take action. So please take action, learn every day with ChatGPT, just 10 to 15 minutes or just 5 minutes a day, and make your family your accountability partners. Thank you. Okay, now after telling ChatGPT about yourself, now you have to make a song about yourself. Ask ChatGPT that I have tell you all about myself, now make a song for me. So ChatGPT will make a very very beautiful song for you. Uh, not audio song. It will write a song for you. After that, after making a song, ask ChatGPT that make a national song about your country. If you are living in Pakistan, if you are living in USA, wherever you are living, just say that make a national song for me. It will make a national song for you about your country. So after that, after making a song about yourself and national song about your country, now you have to make a business card for yourself. Even you are selling something, you are a businessman, whatever you are doing, even you are a housewife, you can make your business card. Ask ChatGPT that make me a business card. So you give your email address, you can give your phone number, and you can give your house address. If you don't want to give your house address, you can give your city name. So ChatGPT will make a business card for you. Now you have your own business card. After that, attach your photo that this is me, and it should be my photo should be on the business card. So ChatGPT will add that too, and will create a business card for you. After that, after making a business card, ask ChatGPT, let's make it 3D business card. ChatGPT will make you a 3D business card. After making business cards, you can order it on uh, rehancards.com, so it will print and you have a hard copy for the for your business card. And if you don't want, no problem at all. But you have your own business card. You have right write in your about your song. Yeah, you have written song about yourself, and you have written national song about your country. So that's really wonderful. So thank you. Okay, now you have your own song, so you have to convert it into audio version. So for audio version, you have to go to suno.com, suno.com. Then go there, just copy that song from ChatGPT and paste there. And you can say pop up if you like pop up song, whatever you like, you can say. Or if you don't want to write, you can just copy that, paste that song, and click on create button. So it will create a very beautiful song for you. Just listen that song, and you will you will be really amazed by that song, and you will enjoy it a lot. You can make for your mother, you can make for your wife, your sister, brother, your friend. So because you have learned how to make songs. Now you can sell it to others. You can sell to your to shopkeepers. You can sell to others. You can give to others. Like for example, your friend birthday is coming. You can make song for your friend. So your friend will be very thankful for you, because when you listen that song, so it will be very good. So you can say ChatGPT that my friend name is John, and I want to make a song for him. He is my friend last 3 years. Whatever you can say, ChatGPT will write a song for you. Then paste it on suno.com, and it will create a song for you. And you can make for others. You can make for others business. Like for example, your um a person who's selling selling something. So you can ask ChatGPT that that someone is selling this, make a song a song for him or her. Just and then ChatGPT will write a song for you for them. You can copy that and paste that on suno.com. Thank you. Now go to Gemini, GEMINI. Go to Play Store and install it. After installing it, connect with your Google account. After connecting with your Google account, do same thing as you did in ChatGPT. Like first you introduce yourself. After that you created a song for about yourself. Then national song, then business card. So do the same things in Gemini can do same thing. So after practicing it, make you can make a birthday poster. So your brother, for example, your brother birthday is coming, so make a birthday poster for him. So you can give your photo and your brother photo and say make a birthday card, make a birthday poster for my brother. You can uh, say in Spanish, you can say in English, in Arabic, whatever you like. So it will, in a few minutes, in a few seconds, Gemini will create a birthday poster for you. Also, you can make a flyer, brochure with Gemini, and for your business, for your home. You can make anything, any image with Gemini. So, if you make a birthday poster for your brother will be very happy because you made a birthday poster for him. So after all these things, Gemini has a very special feature. It has eyes. What I mean? Eyes means it can see anything. You just have to click on the camera, and when you open your camera in Gemini, so you can ask you can it can see anything, so you can show your chair, your machine, you can show your face, and you can ask how can I be more beautiful. You can show the machine, you can say how to fix this, how to do this. You can show anything, almost anything. You can say how to do this, how to do this, how to fix this. So it will guide you. So you will really enjoy it. So you have made your business card, you have introduced yourself, your song, national song. Now you know the I feature in Gemini. Thank you. Now what you have to learn? Notebook LM. So go to www.notebooklm and you will see the interface to paste anything. So you can paste a link, you can upload a PDF, you can write text there as well. So it can make a video explainer video, it can make podcast for you, it can make infographics for you. So if you want to learn any book, think of it like your school notebook. So it's a digital notebook. So you can make videos, audio overviews, whatever you want to learn. So your today's task is you have whatever like you want to learn the habit book. So just go to Google and search any book you want to learn. So when you search it, just copy that link, or you can download that book and go to Notebook LM and upload there. And if you copy the link, you can paste that there. After pasting it or after uploading it, Notebook LM will go and learn about that. Now you have to make a audio overview like a podcast. So just click on the audio overview. It will create a audio overview like two peoples were talking about that book, and then you just have to listen it. Also you can learn this in any language. If you want to learn in Spanish, English, or Arabic, just uh, click there, and you can just click that once button, and it will you can select the option uh, to select any language. And you can download Notebook LM from Google Play Store. Just go there and write Notebook LM, then you can install it. So after creating a audio overview, there's a option to make video overview. It will make a video overview of that book. You can click on long video, you can click on short video, so it will make a video overview. You will enjoy it, and you can just um, spend for a few minutes to learn anything. So if you don't have time to learn big courses, books, so you can learn like this. After done this, there's option to plus button. Just click on that and learn Rihan Allah Wala documentary. So you can go to www.rihan.com/d. So just copy that link or video link, just give that to notebook, just paste on Notebook LM, and it will learn about that. And again you can make a video overview and audio overview of that documentary. It will go learn, and you can learn anything in few minutes. Just like that documentary, you can learn in 2 minutes, you can learn in 4 minutes. Just you have to select the option like explainer or short explainer, so you will learn it. You can make infographics of it as well. So you don't have time to watch courses, to read books, so you can use it and you can spend few minutes to learn anything. So now we have Rehan.ai. So many people wants mentor and hand holding. So you can go to www.rehan.ai. So it's your mentor. It can guide you. It can achieve your goal. So it will give you small task, and it's a copy of Rehan Allahwala. So a digital version, and you can go and it will push you every day. It will call you, it will pin you, so it will give you tasks. Just you have to do that, do tasks whatever that AI gives you. And when you done these tasks, so you will um be very grateful. And if you want mentor in your life, if you want hand holding person in your life, also it's a paid service. Also, if you want to one-on-one session with Rehan Allahwala, so you can click on the advance button and book a time with him. You can spend time with him virtually, and you can, but it's a paid service, so you can learn from him directly, or you can learn by with Rehan.ai. Now we have rehanjobs.com. REHAN, Rehan, JOBS, jobs, rehanjobs.com. So just go to www.rehanjobs.com. It will help you to find remote job. If you are earning $500 a month and you want to earn $1,000 a month, $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, Rehan Jobs is for you. So you have to do the same job whatever you are doing. To just go to the office, you just go to the office and do task on your laptop. So you can do same task from your home, from anywhere. So Rehan Jobs help you to find them. So you have your LinkedIn account and your CV. Just go to rehanjobs.com, upload your CV and give your LinkedIn profile. It will make a profile on rehanjobs.com. So after creating a profile, the Rehan Jobs AI will give you 5 jobs daily. So, but just you have to apply on these 5 jobs, and then you will get a job, your dream job. If you want 1,000, 2,000, just sit there and it will find you every day, and you can earn online, and you can earn from your home. Thank you, and you can increase your monthly income as well. Okay, now you have learned many things and practice it. So you can give your feedback in a comment box, so we can see you liked it or not. You can give your feedback there. This was just a small introduction to AI. You have just tested that AI. Just you test the food, so you just tested that AI, how AI works. So AI is not your enemy, it's your friend. It can increase your productivity, increase your business. Whatever you want to learn, it can help you, it can guide you. So it's not your enemy, so you can use it and enjoy it. Also, you can, it was just you just tested it. So you can enroll in our 1 week program, AI program, so you will learn in detail. Also, you can join our academy, online academy. That website is www.rehanacademy.net. Just go there and enroll yourself or your friend or your child for 6 months. Then you will learn many things there on Zoom. Or you can join our school by rehanschool.com. Just go there and you can enroll in our school as well. If you can also enroll in college. Our college name is Rehan College. It's a residential program for 4 years, so you can join that also. You just have to go rehancollege.com and apply for this residential college program. Thank you.